Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am outside in my backyard. We still have a little bit of snow. It's so nice. It's not much snow, but it's gonna snow a little bit more tonight, so that'll be nice. And I'm gonna go in my RV because I need to sit down and talk to you guys and let you know what I'm doing coming up starting January. And inside, everyone is inside, all the kids, everything gets noisy. So let's go in the RV and have a little sit down chat. So I'm all situated in my RV. I have a bunch of blankets on me because it's super cold in here, but I didn't want to turn on the heater because then there's lots of background noise. So anyway, so the big news is we are going to do a no spend challenge, January Eat from the Pantry challenge, freezer pantry, whatever you call it. We are going to try to eat up what we have in the house, and we've kind of been doing that. If you've been watching my channel, you've seen that we've kind of been doing a little bit here and there of that. So I just kind of want to give myself a budget, and I have in the playlist, I have where I've done it in the past where I've gone like a week. There's 6 of us, so I've done a budget of $30 a week for groceries and whatever else we need. This year I'm going to have it at $75 just because of shortages, just because of everything that's going around. If I find a good deal and I want to stock up on something, I want to have that in my budget. And that's still a lot less than what we've been spending a week on groceries, just because I have been stocking up, and I've been really stocking up my emergency pantry and stuff. But again, I have a lot of things that need to be used up. So, but in the same time, I want to keep replenishing and I don't want to go without. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to try to go through our vitamins. The kids have a lot of different gummy bears from Costco that they've started, and I just haven't been consistent with giving it to them. And kids, you know, they're not going to take it on their own. So we want to go through our vitamins, use up what needs to be used up. We want to go through all the little toiletries that we get at hotels. That we've accumulated, all the little soap and lotion samples, and just be really mindful about things like that, you know, toothpaste, stuff like that, that have just been opened and maybe put in the back of the cupboard and we just need to use it up, or things that have been kind of hanging around in the freezer that you just kind of like, I don't really feel like it, let's just use it up. So that's what we want to do starting January 1st. Now I do have a huge box of cabbage. I'm not sure how many pounds. I got it from a local store called Cash and Carry, where you get in bulk. So we have cabbage, we have potatoes in bulk. We also have a huge box of green peppers in bulk. My husband went to the store last week and got those for me. So it's just more cost effective when you buy them in bulk like that. And we have a lot of that kind of stuff. I have a lot of salads that I got from Kroger on clearance, and mushrooms and stuff in my fridge. So starting out this challenge shouldn't be hard. I should definitely be able to stay under my $75 a month doing this challenge for this week anyway, at the first week, because we just have so much, including fresh vegetables and fruits. So hopefully it won't be too hard. I challenge you guys to do it too. I mean, everybody's financial situation and stockpile situation is different for every family. Like I said, we're a family of 6, and I feel like $75 is more than enough. Again, if we weren't living in the times we're living in now, I probably have maybe a $30 budget or something like that. So I'm really allowing myself a lot more. Again, if there's a good sale, I don't want to be like, oh, you know, I'm on this challenge and I can't get it and stock up and be, you know, have it prepared and ready to go for my family in the future. So I know a lot of people do these challenges starting January. We kind of do them throughout the year, here and there, but usually I'll do them maybe for like a week or so. So I definitely want to do it for the whole month of January. And I'm really excited. So if you guys are excited and you're on board, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you're doing something like this. I know I have a few subscribers that do it throughout the year. So yeah, it's exciting. I'm really excited and I'm really looking forward to it. Actually, I already told my family, my kids, my husband, we're doing the pantry challenge, and they already know what it is and they're on board. And I'm pretty lucky because they're not picky eaters. So that always helps. Anyway, and we don't have any specialty diets like gluten-free or anything like that. Well, Lucas he tries to eat gluten-free and dairy-free just because his eczema flares up, but we're not very strict. Like he has to have a lot of it for it to flare up, and it's been under control lately. So I think he's slowly kind of outgrowing it. So he's okay. So anyway, that's about the only restrictions we have. And like I said, he's pretty good about outgrowing that and being okay with that. So anyway, I'm really excited. If you're excited, let me know, and let's use up what we have and let's get creative with our meals. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys starting January 1st.